This is just a quick video to help you if you're remote or asynchronous or you need further instructions for how you can start IDing the main plants at your eco site. So this is a native plant trust key, and it's really simple because it sort of breaks plants down into groups, and those groups are broken down into smaller and smaller groups based on shared characteristics. So the first thing you're going to have to do with each of your species is determine, is it a woody plant, an aquatic plant, a grass-like plant, an orchid, a fern, or any other non-flowering non-woody plant. And you want to really look at the key characteristics in terms of what do they say these plants have. So plants that reproduce by spores, seedlings that have a single embryo or flowers in multiples of 3, obviously narrow blades of grass, they're found in the water, or they might be large trees. So I'm going to assume that my plant is in the group of woody plants. So I'm going to click on this. So then I have two options. I have broadleaf or deciduous, or I have needle-leafed or conifer woody plants. I'm going to say that my plant is in this woody plant group because I saw that there were needles. All right, so it's 17 possible matches. So I'm going to press continue here. So I want to first think about the habitat. What is the habitat like? It looks to me as if when I looked outside, it was terrestrial. It's not in the wetlands. So I'm going to click apply selection. The next thing it's going to tell me is New England state. Well, this is easy. We're in Vermont, but it doesn't really narrow down the field at all. We're still at 16. Growth form, that's interesting. The plant is a shrub with multiple stems or prostrate, which means they're on the ground, or the plant is a tree. I'm going to click the plant is a tree. Leaf form, ooh, are they needle-like or scale-like? This is a little bit hard to see just based on the images there, but I'm going to say needle-like. It looks like they're more coming off of the tree. Scale-like means that they're a bit closer, so always pay attention to the images. And I just want you to note that there are multiple conifer trees out in our forest that have needle-like appearances, but the needles necessarily don't look like this. So look at the description and choose the best option. Leaf form. So now I want to think about leaf cross-section. So the needle-like leaves are flattened, can be rolled between the fingers. The needle-like leaves are rounded. This is a little bit hard because it's not showing me this picture. So I'm going to move to the next one. Leaf arrangement. Clusters, yes. The tree that I was looking at have leaves in clusters. Excellent. Seed cone form. I haven't been able to see that. So this gives me 5 different options. So I'm going to click on Eastern White Pine. I'm going to see what it says about that. So here's some images. Eastern White Pine. That looks pretty promising. So this might be the actual thing. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So the tree that I was IDing is the Eastern White Pine based on those 5 needle arrangements. This is obviously just a guide to help you start narrowing down your species, and I'm here to help you with any and all species that you need help with.